read about the hurricane that recently swept Florida from Miami to Palm Beach? Well, this is it. The wind reached a velocity of 160 miles an hour, and it takes a lot to stand up to that. Fortunately, there had been advance news that the hurricane was on its way, so loss of life on the Florida coast at least was almost prevented. But damage to property was enormous. It's estimated at about $50 million. The Security Council
from Movietone. They didn't exactly send her an invitation, she just turned up. A hurricane called Hilda, sweeping in to spend the weekend in Louisiana. The 120-mile-an-hour blast left millions of dollars worth of damage as Hilda continued her rampage into Mississippi and Alabama.
Blue. Believe it or not, those two are dead sober. Yes, it was certainly dangerous out in the streets that day. Seepage from the swollen East River reached a big steam pipe, providing this fantastic picture to add to the scene of turmoil and destruction.
Sweeping the coasts of North and South Carolina. Quite a job for the cameraman recording the big blow. At times, the hurricane reached the frightening peak of over 130 miles an hour. There are trainees being put through it at an American Air Force base.
These pictures give you some idea of the intensity of the hurricane which recently swept the Florida coast.